We are in the Mysore bird sanctuary.
These are all reptiles. Nighttime they all
Not many birds now.
daytime they
The
take
best
them
time to
body
see
and
birds
enter
here is
them.
December
Outside
to
they
March,
came and sleep.
or in the
Sometime
morning
they
or
walk up
evening.
one of our digestions.
And if you can
ಆಮೇಲೆ
see,
ಏನಕ್ಕೆ outside
that's
ಮನೆ ಕಳ್ತಾರೆ
a
ರಾತ್ರಿ
crocodile
ಹೊತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು body
doing
cool
some
ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ.
sunbathing.
Time temperature heat ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ
The
outside
guide
ಬಂದು
tells us there are more than 100 crocodiles in this lake. So while starting the trip, we missed a couple of black pelican type of birds. I'm not sure what the names are. Maybe on the way back we can shoot them.
I will go closer.
Another crocodile sunbathing.
Water central. See, today all contain.
We just heard a crocodile under the tree, but I don't think I can see it.
Red-wanted lapwings, 3 birds.
Some more birds.